What's something people don't know about investing? If you're dreaming of financial independence, but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break down how to start investing for beginners. Let's get into it. I bet you didn't know how simple investing can be. Investing is like planting a tree. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll enjoy the shade. Your money grows over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. The earlier you begin, the more you'll benefit. Alright, so where do you start? Step 1. Set your goals. Ask yourself, what am I investing for? Retirement? A house? Maybe a rainy day fund? Knowing your goals will help you choose the right investments. Next thing, let's talk about different types of investments. You've got stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and many more. Stocks are shares in a company. Bonds are loans you give to the government or corporations. Mutual funds and ETFs are collections of stocks and bonds. Each has its own risk and return. Diversifying or spreading your money across different investments can help manage risk. Now, how do you actually buy these investments? You'll need a brokerage account. Think of it as a bank account for your investments. There are plenty of online brokers that make this super easy. Do some research to find one that suits your needs and has low fees. You might be wondering, how much money do you need to start? Good news, you don't need thousands of dollars. Many brokers offer accounts with no minimum balance, and you can start with as little as $50 or $100. The key is to start. Once you've set up your account, it's time to choose your investments. For beginners, index funds, or ETFs, are a great start. They're low cost and give you exposure to a broad section of the market. This means less risk and a better chance of steady growth over time. Don't forget to keep an eye on your investments. Regularly check your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. But remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't panic with market ups and downs. Stay the course and think about your long-term goals. Lastly, continue learning. Read books, watch videos, or even take a course. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. And that's it. You've got the basics to start your investing journey. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on becoming financially free and fearless. Catch you next time.